how to download animes on Crunchyroll app. So if you want to download animes on Crunchyroll app, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Crunchyroll application, make sure that you've logged in, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can just simply select the animes that you would like to download. So for example, I want to download this one, first one. You need to just go with the three dots, which is right here, and you will have a download option. But if you don't find the download option, you can just simply tap on the anime, and here you can scroll down and you will have the download option, right? So you just need to simply tap on download all, and as you can see that you need to have a premium version to download animes on Crunchyroll. So if you have the premium version, then you can just simply go with download and it will be downloaded. So that's how you can download animes on your Crunchyroll app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.